Adobe Sign complements Salesforce to create a 100% digital CRM process. Save time and money by integrating Adobe Sign functionality into new or pre-existing workflows. Trigger intelligent e-signature workflows to create and send documents directly from any Salesforce native or custom object. Adobe Sign automatically routes documents for signature to the correct person in the right order with intelligent fields to ensure signers complete the documents correctly. To reduce risk and increase compliance, choose from multiple signer authentication methods. Contract information is securely stored in the cloud at every step, and all Adobe Sign e-signatures are legally binding and globally compliant. When signing is complete, customers are directed to a customizable post-signing URL to continue their engagement and enhance your brand. Meanwhile, e-signature status is automatically updated in Salesforce for real-time visibility and notifications. For admins, a step-by-step setup wizard makes it easy to configure Adobe Sign for any user profile in Salesforce. And no-code field mappings save time by merging Salesforce data into documents and Mapper Signer data back to Salesforce in real time. Try Adobe Sign for Salesforce today and get the power of a 100% digital CRM.